Mohawk College. Mohawk College of Applied Arts and Technology, founded in 1966, is a public college located in Hamilton, Ontario. It ranks as one of Canada's top colleges, holding the #1 position in the Greater Toronto or Hamilton area for 8 consecutive years. Globally, it is ranked number 1359 in the 2022 QS World Ranking, with a world ranking of number 6890, a continental ranking of number 1384, and a country ranking of number 88. Language requirements: IELTS, an overall band score of 6.5, with a minimum of 6.0 in each band. TOEFL IBT, overall score of 90, with minimum component scores of reading, 22. Listening, 22. Speaking, 22. Writing, 24. CLBT, band score of 7 in all areas. Admission requirements: Grade 12 English, U-level, mandatory. Average requirement: average of all 6 required courses must be at least 70%. Academic proof, equivalent to the Ontario Secondary School Diploma. Tuition fees per year. Degree programs: Bachelor of Analytics and Data Management, honors $18,365. Digital Health Bachelor's Degree, honors $18,365. Certificate programs: Canadian Healthcare for Foreign Trained Professionals, $17,615. Ontario College Advanced Diploma. Advertising and Marketing Communications Management, $17,335. Animation 3D, $17,335. Other advanced diplomas, for example, Architectural Technology, Biotechnology, Business Administration, base fee of $17,485 per year. Ontario College Certificate Programs. Various programs, for example, Business Fundamentals, Pharmacy Assistant Techniques, Power Engineering, have a base fee of $17,485 per year. Application fee $100 Canadian. Intake dates and fee deadlines: Spring 2025 intake, offers begin releasing in early February. Fee deadlines: September 2025 intake, June 15, 2025. January 2025 intake, November 15, 2025. May 2025 intake, March 15, 2025. Scholarships: Schulich Builders Scholarship, eligible programs, full-time skilled trades programs. Amount, total $40,000 and $20,000 per academic year. Application deadline, July 7, 2025. Coverage, tuition, tools, and living expenses. GuardMe Community Partnership Scholarship. Type, General. Award amount, $1,500. Eligibility, full-time international students with a GPA of 80% or higher, community involvement, and second or third-year students. GuardMe Gassier P Scholarship. Type, General. Award amount, $500. Eligibility, international students with a GPA of 75% or higher, having completed GASIAP and currently enrolled in the first semester of a full-time post-secondary program. If you want to get more information, then visit studyabroadupdates.com.